Are you struggling for really good, eye-catching thumbnails? That's what we talk about today. Here we go! Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm Alan Spicer, your YouTube certified expert, and you clicked onto this because hopefully you was entertained by my thumbnail. A thumbnail needs to be something that entices people to click, something that's intriguing or really clear to explain exactly what you're doing. Some of us, including myself, may not be hugely graphically gifted, but if you use the tools that Placeit, they'll do all the legwork for you. Let's go to the computer. Now this is Placeit.net. And I've done some fantastic things, including some channel banner artwork, some intro stuff. What we're going to do today is some thumbnails. Go to designs and you scroll along to YouTube templates and you can choose what type of YouTube template from the drop downs. Now you've got all, banners, end cards, thumbnails. And now this is not a definitive list, but it will give you something that will, you know, jump out at you, something that you can maybe use as a template moving forward, something that's eye-catching for you, may also be eye-catching for your audience. So as I scroll down, you'll see a few examples here. You'll see that it goes endlessly on at the bottom, and at the left-hand side, you'll be able to see that there are 216 templates, and they break them down into specific things as well. They've got bold, beauty, fitness, sports, yoga, that kind of thing. Let's click on bold. You'll see a few gaming templates here. So should you be doing, like, this is Rainbow Six, but I'm sure you could twist them accordingly. I'm going to use this as a template. It's quite striking. It can be for anything. You can imagine yourself on the left hand side. You can imagine your text on the right hand side. As always with Placeit, it's very easy to edit. You can choose what specific type of font, in which you can choose through a huge selection, really. You can edit the top end of text over here. You can edit the top end of text on the right hand side, including its tagline. Once again, you can change all the text. You can add additional text down here if you so wish, and you can also untick it if you change your mind. You can choose the color background. You can upload an image should you want to change out the woman here, so obviously for yourself. On the right hand side, you can choose what type of frame. So you'll see here that I've changed the post-it note one in the middle. And you see that it all changes in real time as well, which is always great because you can click and change and do whatever you wish. Down here, once again, it asks if you've got a photo you want on the right hand side. So if you want to change it on the right hand side, you can do so. If I want to change the background, there you go, something red, or you can go transparent. The only reason I suggest you go transparent is you can use this as like a template, and then you could download it, you remove all the text, and then you can edit it further in, say, PaintShop Pro or something like that to pump out as much as you want. Now, once you've had a play around with it, you can do whatever you wish. Now, in my case, I'm just going to play with the font just a little bit longer. But you see what I'm doing. Basically, you can use this as examples. You can do whatever you wish. You can brainstorm ideas. You can test out what looks right and what doesn't. So in this case, I'm going to have to make the background darker so that the word thumbnail pops. I can click on the text color. I could change the text in itself, so I can make, say, that white. There you go. And then when I'm ready, I simply click download, and I download for free as part of my subscription, or you can obviously get a subscription. I believe you can download them for as little as like $2, right? But once again, it could generate a thumbnail template for you that you could use over and over and over again. And then when it's done, you go to the processing up here, would download it in the bottom left hand corner. There you go, that is the thumbnail. It's ready to go. If you need any more help with intros, outros, end screens, anything like that, there's a playlist here. Go out there, start creating.